Checking your account balance on Visible is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to easily access your balance information. Step 1. Open the Visible app. Launch the Visible app on your smartphone. Make sure you have the latest version installed for the best experience. Step 2. Log into your account. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, look for the account settings or profile icon, usually located in the top corner of the app. Tap on it to access your account details. Step 4. Find account balance. In the account settings menu, locate the section labeled account balance or billing. This section will display your current balance and any recent transactions. Step 5. Review your balance. Take a moment to review your account balance. If you have any questions or need further assistance, consider reaching out to Visible's customer support through the app. Now you can easily check your account balance on Visible whenever you need to.